Yogis say that yoga is a practice for the body, mind, and soul, rooted in ancient Indian tradition, and the word yoga itself means to unite. Its main goal is to create balance between the body, mind, and soul. Practicing yoga helps a person become balanced, calm, and spiritually mature. It originated thousands of years ago in India and holds deep spiritual significance. Nowadays, yoga is practiced worldwide, but many people limit yoga to just physical postures. Yogis say that yoga is not just a physical practice, but a complete lifestyle. According to yogis, there are 4 stages of yoga: Tapa, Japa, Dhyana, and Samadhi. It's the pursuit of physical, mental, and spiritual balance. This can be achieved through 4 main practices: Tapa, Japa, Dhyana, and Samadhi. These practices illustrate the profound and holistic approach of yoga. Tapa is physical and mental discipline. The main objective of Tapa is to keep the body still and balanced. This is achieved through physical hardship and self-control. Tapa helps in controlling the body's needs and desires. In Patanjali's Yoga Sutras, Yama, Niyama, and Asana are considered part of Tapa. Yamas are codes of conduct, and Niyamas are personal disciplines. Asana, in the Yoga Sutras, is a comfortable and steady body posture. Yogis say that keeping the body still, no matter how, is Tapa. Japa is the practice of stillness and focus of the mind. The practice of japa helps to keep the mind calm and still. In Patanjali's Yoga Sutras, pranayama, pratyahara, and dharana are part of japa. Pranayama calms the mind by controlling the breath. Pratyahara involves withdrawing the senses from external objects and focusing them inwards. Dharana is focusing the mind on a single point, which makes the mind still and focused. In japa, the mind is focused by chanting mantras, observing the breath, or meditating on the chakras. Yogis say that keeping the mind focused, no matter how, is japa. Dhyana is the practice of stabilizing and focusing the intellect. The state of dhyana is where your entire focus is centered on only one subject. In this state, your mind and intellect are completely calm and still. The practice of dhyana helps in developing mental clarity and deep self-awareness. The state of dhyana is where your attention is focused on only one subject, whether it is God or any other subject. If your attention is focused on God, then you become a spiritual seeker. And if it is focused on any other subject, then you become an expert in that subject. Samadhi is the state of keeping the consciousness still. It is the highest state of meditation, where a person's consciousness is completely still and peaceful. In this state, one experiences the unity of the individual soul with the ultimate reality. Upon reaching Samadhi, a person reaches a state of complete balance and peace. This state is the ultimate goal of all yoga practices. In Samadhi, one comes to know one's true self and attains complete peace and bliss. Yogis say that keeping the body still, no matter how, is tapa. Keeping the mind focused, no matter how, is japa. Stabilizing and focusing the intellect is dhyana. And samadhi is keeping the consciousness still. These 4 practices make a person physically, mentally, and spiritually balanced and mature. Deep practice of tapa, japa, dhyana, and samadhi is necessary to understand and experience the true meaning of yoga. Yogis say that there is no point in doing japa without tapa, and there is no point in doing dhyana without tapa and japa. It's a waste of time. What's being taught in yoga schools these days? Yoga should be done step by step, like stairs. You can't reach the top step in one go. Only by adopting yoga as a holistic lifestyle can one truly benefit from it. It can be applied to every aspect of life, not just limited to physical exercise. We hope this video will help you understand the true meaning of yoga and its different practices. If you have any questions related to yoga, please let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video. Thank you.